Hi everyone, it's Wendy. Now I'm going to show you how to make this. It's a 3D snowman, box snowman. So I'm going to show you how to do the big one. If you know how to do that, you can do the other ones exactly the same. So first of all, I'm just going to trim this round because we're going to stick it on some cardboard just to help it stay up better. Okay, so best thing to do is just trim it round roughly like that, and then you've got less to stick on. Okay. All my papers are blowing away. Okay, so I'm just going to glue this onto this. Look, my piece of card. It doesn't have to be this colour. It can be a cereal box again. Just I've run out of cereal boxes because I've just done the bingo game. So we'll just glue. Make sure you glue right up to the edge. That's the most important thing, and all the way in the middle. Okay. Just pop that on. Try and make it smooth when you do it, and then it'll stick nicely. There we go. That's the first bit, so I'm just going to cut out of this all the way around the edge, okay? Now, you might notice when you look at yours, it's got numbers on, and that's the order that you stick them onto, and it sometimes shows you where they're going to go as well. Normally they go inside, so we'll have a look and we'll see how it's going to go. Just try and cut as carefully as you can around the edges. If you find using scissors a bit tricky, you can always get an adult to help, okay? Nearly there. Tiny bit more to go. Well, this big one is the bottom part of the snowman because he's got the buttons on now. So I'm going to do the rest of the snowman later on, but if you know how to do this, you'll be fine with the others. So look, it's like that, and then there's all these dotted lines, and that means you've got to fold them. So I'm just going to borrow back my piece of card, so as my table isn't, I don't think it's wet, but I don't want to get any water on here. So fold along all the lines that you can see. Try and do it exactly on the line if you can. And that will make the box a better shape. I can hear my birds singing outside today. I hope it's a nice day where you are today. Three more folds, I think. You might have made these at school, maybe, if you do maths. Sometimes they do these in maths and make a square. So, can you see like that? So this is all going to fold up like this, look. And then that will be the snowman there like that. So, let's have a look at the numbers. So, there's number 1, and that's going to fold here and stick behind it, okay? So we're going to put glue onto number 1. You probably need quite a bit of glue, and Pritt Stick is really good for this sort of thing. And then just press it and hold it so it sticks, okay, just for a couple of moments. You don't want it to move. There's number 2. I'm going to put that on there. Put quite a decent amount of glue on, you'll find it'll stick nicer. Sometimes it might be better if you glued it onto the card and then you was able to leave it a bit, and then it'll glue better after that. That's 1 and 2, so we need 3 and 4. So that's number 3. That tucks inside, just like that. And when you've got more inside, it is better to hold it for a little while. Right, so I'm going to do 4 almost at the same time if we can. While the other one's not quite stuck, so you've got to sort of tuck it in. Right. 3 and 4 done. Just going to pinch it for a moment. Okay. How's that looking so far? Okay, can you see the little gloves at the side? So 5 and 6 are here, and then 7 does go on the outside. So this is going to be a little bit tricky. Okay, so we're going to have to just do our best to get it to stick. So I would do 5 and 6 together, because you're not going to be able to get your finger inside that bit. So we're just going to tuck it in, and then just press on sort of where it is inside. Maybe it doesn't matter too much because you're going to have 7 on the outside. And then put glue on the other side of the 7, not the white side. And can you see on there, look, it says 7. And you just tuck that over and make a nice tight square. Okay, I'm just going to hold that so it sticks. Okay, you might need to hold it for a few minutes because that's the most hard one. Now look, can you see on the bottom there's a blue sort of oval shape, archway shape, and then there's like a star shape. Now these will match up to these other ones. Can you see? So you'll know which way to put it. So that one probably be that one there, and this one means it's at the bottom, so that doesn't match up with anything. So go along and make all 3 boxes. Make sure you stick them on card because they'll be so much better. When you've done those other 2, you'll have a nice stack. So you'll have one with the scarf on next, and then you'll have the one with the head on. Make sure it's the right way round, turn it over and stack them up and make sort of like a square blocky snowman. How about that? Have a go anyway. I'd love to see a photo. If your mum wants to send it to anyone at Funability, that would be great. See you soon. Bye.